Well, it's been about 6 hours since the last update, and it's not looking so good short term as it might just be finding resistance here where it previously found support at the 18 period average of closes. Definitely the setup is a hammer type formation. May not look the greatest. It's a volatile day. Everything's going down again. Dow's going down, but the big number is a little over 38, and I really don't know why I'm still saying that because it seems like that number is like so old. The volatility for this chart is still nowhere near I would need to see to say, hey, wait a second, there's a lot of stuff going on. I think a lot of this volatility is reflected within the global markets. This volatility was unique to silver because that's when the price was mainly moving just for silver. Now the difference is it's a global issue, and there still can be a lot more of a volatile move. And we're seeing this setup. We're seeing the price action as we do right now. We have this chart here on the quarter day chart. Yes, the 39 or the 38.10, 38.15 level. That's I've been saying that quite often. Is very huge. And because of the way the market is playing out, a decent sized move above this line, that most likely would cause a fast move to go below towards the downside. And with the volatility chart showing what it is, it can really have another leg of volatility, which means what we're used to now will get even higher. The moves of having 1% in an hour will be now 2% an hour, or whatever the increase would happen to be. And the same is true within the resistance level because it's had this nice correction within this trend. 42 is that big level. We have only touched that mark once so far. And that was back in here. Therefore, come back to this level again, increases the chances that we take it out. But because the more often you touch the line, the more often or the more likely it is it goes below it or above it. The same thing could be said in here. We've had 2 resistance hits, and now we've had 2 support hits. It's looking like it wants to have a third one because that's pretty much the area where the market is trading within right now. But the best analysis that I can see from this is that the movements do have a decent chance of really picking up. Finally, when we take a look at this monthly chart, we can see within this smaller red candle, which is only a few days into the month so far, that we have the 18 period average of highs at 35.46. And that gives us more emphasis to that level breaking below the 38 mark. And on this time frame, it's still really not the most bearish of things to have another test of this level. Same thing, you break this resistance line, you pretty much got free space up to the previous high. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.